Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use the Vital Scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. It's used to collect detailed healthcare provider data from vitals.com, including specialties, ratings, education, and patient acceptance. This actor extracts complete healthcare provider profiles from vitals.com. It collects provider ID, specialties, education history, hospital affiliations, ratings, reviews, insurance acceptance, and contact info. This is useful for healthcare research, referral systems, provider directories, and market analysis. So, how does it work? There are two ways to configure this scraper. You can either paste a direct search URL from Vitals, or build a search using structured filters inside Apify. Just remember, you must choose one method, a start URL or the filters. For this example, we'll search for cardiologists in New York. You can add any additional filters that you wish, and once you're ready, you simply copy the URL and you paste it in here. You set the maximum number of results you want, and once you're ready, you can run it once, or you can schedule it according to your needs. We'll run it once for this demo. Now, we just wait for the actor to do its magic. When the run finishes, all providers appear in the dataset. For each provider, you get their name, specialties, address, ratings, review counts, education history, hospital affiliations, and insurance acceptance. The data is already normalized and ready for analysis or integration. You can also export this data as JSON, CSV, or Excel file. That makes it easy to plug this data into dashboards, CRMs, or analytical tools. The Vital Scraper is ideal for building provider databases, analyzing healthcare markets, or powering patient-facing tools. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you like this scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.